Hello viewers, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, I say a very big welcome to you. Are you looking for a body wash that will remove every side effect from your skin, like such as eczema, ringworm, or any of all those dark spots, dark heads that you do have and they are not leaving you? A body wash, like when you use some body wash, they will be sticking your skin. You'll be wondering what kind of body wash it is, but this body wash is not going to do like what you think. Are you getting it? Because it's a Thailand product, and any product that is made in Thailand, I always guarantee you 100% that this is a product that will work for you. And as much as every one of us that will be using body wash, this is what you need to go for. Are you getting it? Because there's every tendency that there won't be any stretch mark. There's every tendency that there won't be any varicose vein or grief vein. All right, it will regulate your skin and moisturize your skin before it starts even lightening you. I told you that any product that doesn't moisturize before lightening you is a big no for you. Yes, a product is supposed to moisturize your skin, bring out your beauty before it will work. And why we are not putting label for some because of wholesalers. You can just buy. We have them in large quantity. This is a body wash that you can vouch for. When you use it, you can tell your friend to tell another friend that I found one product in Austin Global. So I don't want to make you feel like as if it's expensive. Funny enough, it's not expensive. Okay, so you can always use this to clear your problem. Remember, a problem share is a problem solved. I've told you before, this is a clean fact. The problem share is a problem solved. With this, you will be putting on short again. With this, your skin will become clean as white. And not only just clean as white, all those side effects you got from other lotion, they will be gone. In 1 week, they will be gone. So alright, quick one, don't forget that we ship everywhere. If you want to buy as a wholesaler, contact us, no problem on that. Or you can go to our website and do shopping as well.